Lady Isabel sits in her bower sewing, aye as the gowans grow gay. There she heard an elf knight blawing his horn, the first morning in May.
If I had yon horn that I hear blowing, and yon elf knight to sleep in my bosom. This maiden had scarcely these words spoken, till in at her window the elf knight has moved.
It's a very strange matter, fair maiden, said he. I cannot blow my horn, but you call on me. But will you go to yon greenwood side? If you cannot gang, I will cause you to ride.
He leapt on a horse, and she on another, and they rode on to the greenwood together. Light down, Lady Isabel, said he. We are come to the place where ye are to be.
Hey mercy, kind sir, on me, till once my dear father and mother I see. 7 kings' daughters here hath slain, and ye shall be the 8th of them.
Oh, sit down a while. Lay your head on my knee, that we may hae some rest before that ye dee. She stroked him sae fast, the ne'er he did creep, with a small charm she lulled him fast asleep.
With his ain sword belt, sae fast as she banged him, with his ain dag dark, sae Sarah she dang him. If 7 kings' daughters here ye hae slain, lie here a husband to them a'.